say something.
Okay, so I'll bring it first.
One of they put our back here is still getting closer to them. The one
Yes, sir. We have. Yes, sir. This is Prince Kpokpogri, sir. What do you have to say about what is happening here this morning, sir?
It's my brother. So surprised. I didn't do government anything wrong. I came out from my house this morning. The next thing I saw is bulldozer everywhere. I bought this plot. You know, I built this place. When I finished, there was no day development Tonto Dikeh to issue me a notice. To my greatest surprise, you know, they said road past my house. You know, the demolition notice that they served me does not even carry my plot number. So I now went to them that if you serve me a demolition notice, it doesn't carry my plot number. So that was what happened. The next thing I saw, they are carrying, I saw these bulldozers, everything. Don't know what is happening. Because since I built this house, a whole lot of people have been coming that I should sell, I should sell. I said, no, I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I do this place for my personal sanity. You know, my brother, that is what is happening.
But
I will get to the root of the matter.
Sir, do you think this has to do more than just the FCDA, or does it have some other things?
No, I think there is somebody playing a beating band for them somewhere. You know, because if you even say road is passing this way, you know that I've not even started from anywhere. So why will my house be the point of contact? You know, if somebody is not somewhere beating band for them to dance. You know, but I will get to the root of the matter.
How does this make you feel right now, sir? How do you feel about it?
I'm not perturbed. I'm not worried. It's money I distribute. I can even give more of them. You know, so I'm not worried. But the injustice, I must see to the end of it. So this is just.
So in this whole environment, are there other houses, or is it only your own house, sir?
It is only my house, so my brother. It is only my house. You know, because they offered me like 1.4 billion to sell. I said no. Different people have come to me. I said no. So this is the next thing I said. This is an intimidation which my brother, I don't want to say anything because what a man will is always in his mind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So right now they have been bringing his stuff out before they demolish the house. The old fence of the building has been demolished already, and they have brought a couple of things out from his house. They are just waiting for the demolition. And Prince Kpokpogri himself has spoken. He said he will see the end of this. So we are waiting to see how they are going to bring this mighty house down. This is the full side and it has been demolished. Now, they are currently demolishing his lights. All right, for now, we have to go. We will be right back. Once they start to demolish this house, we'll be right back. Please stay tuned.